नाज़रीन, अवामी न्यूज़ में ख़बरनि जो सिलसिलो जारी है। हिन वक़्तु असीं तव्हांखे अमेरिका में ख़बर ॾींदा हलूं त अमेरिकी सदर जोबائي चयो आहे त अफगानिस्तान मां फ़ौज जी वापसी जो फ़ैसिलो दुरुस्त हो, जंहिं ते को बि पछताव या शर्मंदगी न आहे। अफगान फ़ौजी विढ़ण नथियूं चाहिनि त पोइ अमेरिका कुझु नथो करे सघे। चीन ऐं रूस जी ख़्वाहिश हूंदे त अमेरिका अफगानिस्तान ते डॉलर ख़र्च कंदो रहे थो।
Did unfold more quickly than we had anticipated. So what's happened? Afghanistan political leaders gave up and fled the country. The Afghan military collapsed, sometime without trying to fight. If anything, the developments of the past week reinforced that ending U.S. military involvement in Afghanistan now was the right decision. But if Afghanistan is unable to mount any real resistance to the Taliban now, there is no chance that 1 year, 1 more year, 5 more years, or 20 more years, the U.S. military boots on the ground would have made any difference. If they attack our personnel or disrupt our operation, the U.S. presence will be swift and the response will be swift and forceful. We will defend our people with devastating force if necessary.
मज़ीद खबरों और तफसीलात के लिए विजिट करें हमारी वेबसाइट www.awamiNewsHD.com।